Yeah, man, got me wrong. Good morning, grand rising to all. You know, say all of a sudden me just dey feel like for just make that video. Cause I see something what day upon the live with the youth, that little blogger youth there. And it does, even before I come from prison, I usually watch a lot of them vlogger here and see what them do and the things them when them come talk on the platform, them and more I say them people is like them delusional or something, dog. Because the things them wanna come talk, but people wanna know, just forget YouTube money. It's astonishing. Like, I can't believe it. Sometimes wanna come on TikTok for do. I wanna come behave and go and forget the TikTok money. We know say people hungry. We know say people want money and have to try some way, for improvise or however. But some things I wanna do more while. Wanna go on like wanna don't know what is reality. Wanna go on like wanna don't know. And then when shit's reach, the whole world want to turn and say, oh, them wickedy, oh, them for do the people them this and why them do the people them that. And it was just a little TikTok blogger. You never did that thing sometime when things want to come talk on the internet. When you not think, want to go in the people them inbox or go in there something and them do their own thing and then start comment on them and say what you want to say about them and call them any type of name. And then you remember say, oh, normal, in the streets, same way. And world no said so. Look up on the youth where I'm to him there. Him did and attack and we don't know how it really happened or what really happened. But I'm just saying, stop fooling yourself because of this TikTok money and YouTube money and then forget about life and reality when you go out in the streets. You see me? Stop it. What the one come? You see, there is so much of them. When reality after not depend on social media, no depend on phone, reality now. The reality is we're gone in the streets. I left my yard, me there in the streets. Anything anybody can just want feel like them we doing something. And never have somebody from who affiliated with who are maybe friends or family. Nobody now have to tell nobody to do nothing nowadays, It worse now, it worse. But stop clowning out on yourself, youths. Stop clowning out on yourself on these platforms and this TikTok and YouTube page because you want YouTube sending money. You don't know nothing. You just want to talk this. I'm going to make up anything. I say, if I say this, I'm going to say that. I'm going to talk this, I'm going to talk that. I'm going to get some views. I'm going to get some views. Because you see, the reality after that is circumstances dead, reaction always coming. You never, nothing just do without a reaction. You see me? Follow up always dead. And it's so ironic is, you start this and you said this and you said that about somebody and the reality, you buck up in the streets now with the person, face to face. And the person approach and you turn around like a baby. You curl up your voice all. That attitude upon the social media. Go suck your mother, batty boy. Oh, yeah, another bat. It gone. We can't see that persona there. You understand? And that a reality. That is reality. What you going to do them time there? You're going to jump in your phone for hide. You're going to jump in your phone. Like what you would have do. And you see it would have come like even the youth or the not even that can't help you kind of him dep on live. I do him thing. And I write when him dep on live. Reality. Take him. Wherever it come from or where it lead from, I do not know, I do not care. I'm just talking about the reality of things wanna do. Every action come with a reaction. Every action come with a reaction. Wanna stop fooling yourself. Wanna do not know people who are people. You just a fuck around and do some shit because you're hungry. You go do some farming, man. And work with time, man. Just give time. The things them are grow. You do some things where it will keep your morals intact. You know what I mean? And help keep you more safe because you know put trouble upon yourself and not realize the trouble you put upon yourself because Bumbuckler, more the YouTube check there. More look how much, yeah, the numbers them, it no matter. You go shake up on man all go up on TikTok and wind up himself, dog. Wind up himself like a girl, dog. Like literally a girl wind up himself. Just say somebody go so tap me up. Ta, 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 ta. You don't even care. Tap me up, yo, tap up his screen, tap it up. It's what the fuck ever the word is. Humiliating. It's yo, bro. No think here and do the right thing cause it fuck up in the world more while and for say yo, we know enough time I just nothing better than day, no. And you just a try for do what them can do for stand up on them foot. But think there are always ways. Yes, we can use the platform to make the money. Think before no act sometime. Think before no say sometime. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Sometimes it don't make sense when you talk some things when and then you're not thinking about the reaction. I don't even think when I think about the reaction, you know. I don't even think in the mind when I think about the reaction. You know? And then it like my nobody every day I sit down and I say, yo, I saw when all a man like all a dodos now get free up. I saw some I go up on internet and try fool on yourself, bro. Yo, that man the time done. And chats all some shit. Me no want to see it, you know, but me to all things are happening in a them modern time and people get so fool and the internet a fool them so much. Where me feel in a mind say, yo, you go that all when all that dodos come out of prison, you're gonna find two people say them a vlogger, TikToker, or whatever, just want to come for talk, for get clout. And now remember say every action come with a reaction. And no matter the time we take, stop play on a fucking self. Yeah? All I want to just say, looking at it how you want it, decipher it however you want it, decipher it, pick sense out of nonsense, and stop fooling the fucking self, yeah? Grand Rising.